For the repair of Mitsubishi ACB AB800, the following procedures were necessary. Replacement of various electronic components and general cleanup of the unit. For testing, we use 220 volts AC and a portable tester. Then we trip the breaker with the help of the UVT. At first we trip the breaker manually. Next we perform a short time delay test. Then we perform a long time delay test.
Στα 20 δευτερόλεπτα θα πέσει. Έπεσε. 21,7. Εντάξει.
It is now clear that Mitsubishi ACB AB800 is working successfully and it is ready to be delivered to the customer.